The morning sun rises over the wide, golden savanna. The sky glows with gentle orange and yellow. Tall grass sways in a soft breeze. Sounds of waking animals fill the air. It is a happy morning, the start of a new day. By a sparkling river, a big, gentle elephant stands. The elephant drinks water with his long trunk. Splash, splash. Not far away is a tall, graceful giraffe. The giraffe stretches her neck, eating green leaves from a tree. She can see far, far away. The giraffe sees the elephant. Good morning, elephant. The elephant lifts his trunk. Good morning, giraffe. It's a nice day today. They smile. They feel happy to start the day together. The elephant drinks again, but looks worried. That's strange. The giraffe tilts her head. What's wrong? The elephant says, the river has less water today. Yesterday, there was more. The giraffe looks into the river. It is quiet. Water barely moves. Zebras stop and look nervous. Monkeys stop playing and listen. The giraffe says softly, if the water goes away, everyone will be in trouble. The elephant nods. Water is very important for everyone. Worry fills their hearts. The giraffe stretches her neck high and looks far away. She says, oh, I see something. What do you see? Asks the elephant. A big tree is lying across the river. That tree must be stopping the water. The elephant thinks. Then let's go help. The giraffe nods. Together, they walk toward the tree, step by step, slowly. The ground gets muddy. The elephant's heavy feet sink in. Oh no, this is hard. The giraffe finds an easier path and guides the elephant. A strong wind blows. Whoosh! Stay close to me, says the elephant, using his big body to protect the giraffe. Soon, they reach the river. A big, old tree lies across it, blocking the water. It's so big. I'll try, says the elephant, and pushes with his head, legs, and trunk. But the tree does not move. I'm strong, but I can't do it alone. The elephant looks sad. The giraffe says gently, it's okay. Let's think together. She finds long, strong vines. Birds and monkeys gather. We'll help too. Everyone wraps vines around the tree. The elephant holds them with his trunk. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Everyone pulls together. Crack! Splash! The tree moves, and water rushes. The river sparkles again. The animals cheer. We did it! Yes, we did it together. As the sun sets, the elephant and giraffe look at the river. Even strong friends need help sometimes. Even tall friends can't see everything alone. They nod. In the beautiful savanna, when friends help, the world is kinder.